So this is another light bulb that was burning by overvoltage. Let's see what's inside. So as you can see is a pilar with many LEDs, diodes, and is from aluminum, and it has this circuit inside that rectify voltage and create oscillations. Let's see another inside of the insider. So this is all the circuit, all the lamp. You may see phase, neutral, this bridge rectifier, this auxiliary circuit, this resistor, here that is used to turn on the circuit. As I said in the other video, that this create the oscillations but also acts as a dummy load for the LEDs. It is in series with the LEDs. So this is what was all in this light bulb. You can see the circuit that has LED mounted, this cap, fluorescent cap that makes the light more visible and focus it, this screw base with this pin, this plastic holder that is designed to fit this inside and to fixture. It was 15-watt LED bulb, 220, 6500 Kelvin, 50 to 60 Hz, etc. A nice bulb, tiny nice bulb. So that was all the lamp. Have a nice day, guys. Stay safe.